Set up your iPhone for Work One. Welcome to M365 Professional. The Microsoft 365 app is home to all of your favorite productivity apps and content. You can find, create, share, access, and save your content all in one place no matter where you are. Let's set it up for work. On your mobile device, open your App Store and search for Microsoft 365. Install the app. Then open it. Sign into the app with your Microsoft 365 username and password. And turn on notifications. Finally, select, create, and edit documents to get started. The Microsoft 365 app includes OneDrive, giving you the ability to open and edit all of your documents from popular apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint without the need to install those individual apps. Or create documents from scratch with the same popular apps. Finally, use apps to install additional apps such as Teams. As well as Outlook. Once installed, you can launch your apps right from the Microsoft 365 app. Check out other features like Copilot and Capture 2. That's it. You're ready to get to work with the Microsoft 365 app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.